Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you like Minecraft? Because I do. Today we're gonna teach Steve addition to become a math expert. Let's go! So, we're gonna code make two variables, name the first one, add in 1, and name the second one, add in 2. Now, we want to set add in 1 and add in 2 to 0. And we also want to have an answer, sum. And again, set the sum to 0 and hide the sum. Drag out another one flag clicked, and we're gonna code his talking and answering. Drag out the ask what's your name and make sure it's in sensing and ask what's your first addend. And then after that, we will change add in 1 by the answer of the person. And we repeat that, but we do what's your second add-in. And also you change, not add in 1, add in 2 by answer. So now, you ask what's your first add-in, and whatever number you type becomes add-in 1, and whatever number you type for your second one becomes add-in 2. Now once we finish this code, Steve will become an addition expert. Go to variables and change the sum by operators. Make sure it's the addition operator. Add in 1 plus add in 2. And then drag out a say and say sum. First, let's try an easy problem, like 1 plus 1. Let's see if Steve knows his addition. Oh yes, he does. Let's try a harder one. Oh no, I think I made it a little too hard. Can he actually solve it? Oh, he can solve it! Steve is now a math addition expert. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye, 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 bye.